everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Continuing on with our gift in a jar series, today we're gonna make chocolate chip muffin mix. This one also qualifies as breakfast, but also snack and dessert. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to kind of continue with our breakfast theme gift in a jar, and we're going to be making some chocolate chip muffins. These are so simple and they couldn't go together any more quickly. This muffin recipe has pantry staples in it, so you probably have all the things you need already on your pantry shelf. So what you'll need is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. You'll need your printable tags, which will be included in the download for the recipe, some ribbon, a jar lid, and a quart jar, and we're all ready to go. To get started, as per usual, we're going to add our leaveners and our salt into our flour mixture, and just go ahead and give that a really good whisk. This just gets spooned into the bottom of our quart jar. And as usual, we're gonna go ahead and tap, tap, tap rapidly several times on the counter to make the flour mixture settle in the bottom, so we make sure we have enough room for all of our ingredients. Just like that, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead, put our jar funnel back in, and go in with our oats. Tap, tap, tap again. Go in with our granulated sugar, and just give this a little shake. Then we're gonna go in with our brown sugar, and you guys know this drill if you've watched any of our gift in a jar videos. The brown sugar is gonna be put in last before the chocolate chips, and we're gonna go ahead and tamp this down. This will kind of help seal everything in the jar and hold it in place. The brown sugar is going to keep the muffins moist when you bake it. It's going to give it a nice rich flavor. But as far as putting it in the jar, now if I shake this jar, everything's going to still stay where it was. Then we're going to pour in our chocolate chips. And I'm still going to use that jar funnel. And just like that, everything fits perfectly in the jar. Now we're going to put a lid on it. And we're going to decorate it up as you like. There you have it, our chocolate chip muffin mix gift in a jar, all ready to go. Really beautiful, really easy to make with ingredients that you probably already have on hand. It takes very little chocolate chips. It just takes a little bit of everything, really, if you think about it. These go together super fast and really easy, and they make about 12 muffins. So you're giving the gift of 12 freshly baked muffins that they can enjoy anytime they like, or even for Christmas morning breakfast. So I hope you give this chocolate chip muffin mix gift in a jar a try sometime soon, whether it's for the holidays or anytime, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.